Hello, in front of me I've got HUAWEI P30 Pro. Today I'll show you how to add and remove floating shutter button. As you can see right now, floating shutter button is available on screen. To remove it, tap on settings and turn this function off. Now, to enable floating shutter button, again go to settings, scroll down and turn this function on. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.